Hands-on look, and when we're gonna hands-on the device is what all confirmed about the Galaxy S26 Ultra. I kinda hate to see the initial hands-on look of a new phone, and it doesn't come as a surprise since all of these are fake. And here again, when looking at the hands-on look, this thing is not an S26 Ultra, instead a dummy phone. Although we should appreciate the quality of the dummy, the lens reflection makes it so real, but when you look at the cameras and zoomed a little bit, there you can see this thing is fake. So this is how our phone will gonna look like, and it looks good, to be very honest. The color is also looking amazing and it looks polished, but again, early looks good, but it's not real. The release date with the pre-order dates and even when phone is going to hit the market is also confirmed from a source. I should never share the exact timeline for the Korean market. The Unpack event will be on 25th of Feb. The pre-orders will start on Feb 26 to March 4. The pre-sales will start from March 5th to March 10th, and the market launch will be on 11th of March. This is such a delay for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. People were eagerly waiting for the launch of this device, and it's delayed like about a month later compared to the S25 Ultra. Although S25 Ultra is still a beast and is on a discounted pricing right now, which you can avail from products in this video. Initially, we had color options for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. We saw 4 color options on S26 Ultra, but the king of leaker Evan Blast shared more: black, white, silver shadow, sky blue, cobalt violet, and pink gold. These are some of the official colors for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Couldn't confirm which one is the actual flagship color, but these are the official ones. White and that silver shadow would look really good and probably more polished compared to the other colors. Now let's see the camera changes on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This time we know about the camera algorithm of Galaxy S26 Ultra, and Samsung changed it for the S25 Ultra and previous Galaxy phones. From a person who saw the images, according to Universe, photography style of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is realistic, close to real environment. So no high contrast or high saturated images. This is a pure personal preferences, but Samsung is changing the path on S26 Ultra compared to the previous phones. This is a good thing if your image looks natural compared to the over sharpened or over saturated, but it totally depends on personal preference. Let me know, what do you guys think? Over sharpened, over saturated, or natural images? Samsung is going to change the processor, we all know. Don't worry, Exynos 2600 is not coming on S26 Ultra. Instead, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 is here, and the scores are impressive. And this one is the real clock version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. It scored 3,815 single-core score and 11,555 multi-core score. This is just impressive stuff from Samsung. This phone is clocked at 4.7 GHz, which is insane. And according to Universe, the single-core score reaches 3,815, a level that Exynos 2600 simply cannot achieve. It's also worth noting the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy uses a higher clock GPU running at 1300 MHz. This makes it the most powerful processor in the Android ecosystem right now. And while we don't know if Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra will run at 4.7 GHz with the sustained performance, since we heard about heating issues at this much speed, but Samsung is adding a bigger vapor chamber to control that heat on S26 Ultra and may control the clock speed and balance out the performance and sustainability. By the way, while checking the model number, this is not the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Instead, these scores are from Galaxy S26 base model, so we can see the similar performance on Galaxy S26 Ultra. On this note, if you're still here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Until then, peace out.